A lot of traders ask me, how do you attach a stop to an indicator so that as that indicator moves, so does your stop? And you notice I've got a moving average on here. That's just the standard default EMA. I think it's a 14 period. And what I'd like to do is attach a stop. Let's pretend we're in a short trade, and I want to attach a stop to this moving average. So let's put a stop on here. So if we're going short, we want to have a buy stop.
Order submitted.
And I usually use market. And what I want to do now is I want to attach this to this moving average. And if I right click it and then select attach to indicator and go to properties, it's going to give you a drop down list of any indicators you have on this chart. And I only have one, so that's the only one that's showing. And let's say we want to have it one tick above. So I'll click the offset and then I'll hit OK. And as I do this, watch this pop down and get right one tick above the moving average. Now you can see this stop will continue to move as price moves, and let's see if price moves down. If it moves down, price moves down, this stop will also move down. Let's just see what happens. I'm on a 15-second chart. There we go. See that price moved down, and so did your stop. So this will proceed moving down as price moves down, and then if price comes up and goes one tick above this EMA, it'll trigger your stop. So you can attach your price lines, your stops, or your entries to most any indicator using this procedure. So I hope it's a help to you, and successful trading to you all.